A critical remote code execution vulnerability in Langflow, tracked as CVE-2025-3248, is being actively exploited to deploy the Flodrix botnet. The flaw is rated critical and affects all Langflow versions released before the 1.3 update. Langflow is a Python-based visual framework used to build AI applications, making it a high-value target. This video is sponsored by Stonefly. More on that at the end of the video. The vulnerability lies in the API v1 validate code endpoint, which doesn't require authentication in older versions. Attackers are abusing this by sending malicious Python code through crafted post requests. These payloads exploit the exec, function, and default function arguments to execute arbitrary code on the server. Once inside, attackers use a bash-based loader script, commonly named Docker, to download and install the Flodrix botnet. This malware is an evolved version of LeetHoser and is designed for stealth and persistence. Flodrix removes traces of its installation, self-deletes unless special options are used, and avoids reinfecting systems by checking for a hidden file named .systemidle. It also scans for and kills suspicious processes, like watchdog and busybox, to maintain control. For command and control, it uses both regular TCP and Tor networks. Its communications are obfuscated and sent using custom protocols that include unique identifiers and checksums. It regularly sends heartbeat signals to its control server and receives encrypted instructions. These commands can trigger a range of DDoS attack types, including TCP floods, UDP floods, and protocol-specific strikes. Known indicators of compromise include malicious scripts hosted at suspicious IP addresses with file names like Docker or Ds. One identified payload has an MD5 hash ending in 459F and a SHA-256 fingerprint that security researchers have flagged for detection. To defend against this attack, users should upgrade to Langflow version 1.3 or later. This version secures the vulnerable endpoint with authentication. It's also critical to restrict internet access to Langflow installations and monitor systems for any signs of compromise or unusual network traffic. This attack campaign highlights how quickly threat actors exploit 0 days, especially in tools used by developers and AI researchers. Patch fast and audit exposed services. And now a word from our sponsor. Get 128 terabytes Veeam, Rubrik, Commvault Immutable, and air-gapped backup and disaster recovery appliance for $11,995. Contact sales at stonefly.com for details. Subscribe for more cybersecurity news, and don't forget to like this video. Until next time.